Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, video actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Again, gawin natin yung reaction video, ang KDLX Sweet Moments Compilation. So without further ado, let's all watch this. I'm so excited. For sure, kasi matagal akong hindi nakagawa ng reaction video sa KDLX, right? So for sure, marami talaga tayo dito makikita mga videos na hindi ko nagawa ng reaction video, especially yung mga early this year, 2024 January. Ganon. Yeah. Ay, saan to? Ay, grabe naman si Katie. Ay, from ate to baby. hindi talaga ako makagit over sa from ate to baby na yan. Katie, makapalipot naman, Katie. Nahuli kayo tuloy, Katie. Si Katie, todo assist talaga siya, no? Kung makikita nyo, hindi talaga siya umaalis sa likod ni Alexa Ilaw. Oh, sa hotel? Front desk na. Feeling ko preparation to ng magic ball nila or what? Hindi lang ako sure. So please i-comment ninyo yan, dear. Parang nagre-reflectorize ang aking. Sobrang liwanag ng aking. Anyways. Todo assist talaga si Katie, dear. Sa totoo lang, best in assist talaga siya. Okay. Anyway, skip natin yan na. Marami pa naman tayo makikita.
Sino ang mas malambing or clingy sa'yo?
Ay, ito.
Ako din.
Paano talaga? Ay, yung personality mo siguro may pagka-dog.
Hindi ko pa ito napanood. May pagka... Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever energy.
Talaga? Tingin?
Nostra.
Ah.
Nostra or Nostra? Nostra. It's nose. It's nose.
So you want one with Katie Estrada? Ang tagal na nito mga video na to.
You're not cold, ha? You're my love.
Nakapalipot talaga siya kay Alexa.
Hungry na.
Oh, such a baby. Baby talks.
Hungry na eh.
Baby talks talaga siya. Baby boy talaga si Katie. Oh. Pouts. Ah, kasi yun din ang kiss. Yung i-kiss niya din siya kasi yun din ang kiss. Ako na Katie. Alexa, tabi ka na. Ako na.
Mahal, bakit nadalikan tayo mo?
Eh.
Ang arte. Para sa'yo yun eh. Ang gawa. Uy, actually, gawin na yung fruitcake, di ba? Cute.
I love it.
Clingy.
You're so handsome.
Sobrang clingy niya, babe.
Magpapakulay na.
Ay, ayan. Golden Retriever.
What is that? Sabi ko,
Dante ko na ba?
Dati gulap.
stop! Stop, please!
Dati gulap ang puts.
You wanna go? Of course I do! You wanna go to Singapore? I know,
Ay.
I've never been to Singapore.
Ay, si Alexa nakapag-Singapore. Pero nakapag-Japan na sila. Hindi mo kaya. Uy, I love this video. Alexa, may ginapit.
Ako din.
Ako din.
Ako din, pwede. Can I have that?
Kasi hindi mo palang bingbe.
Ako naman.
Baby boy talaga siya. Baby boy talaga siya. Ever.
Me, my turn.
Extend arts.
Kiss me. Grabe naman kayo, guys.
Gabi din mo yun. Kiss nga. Kasi yun yung kiss. Kiss! Grabe naman kayo guys. Kasi yun yung kiss.
I'll get your food, babe. I know, your coffee.
Thank you.
No problem. Anything for you.
Ganda na. Uy! Ang tamis. Sabi kasi uwi na si Katie. Aww.
See you tomorrow.
Ang gwapo ni Katie.
Singin ka namin bukas.
Kainis.
I love my glasses.
Nag-guitar.
I love my guitar.
Yes.
And I love black jeans and I love white shoes.
Black jeans and white shoes.
Yay!
Parang yan na yung
I
type ko
love
yung
it,
black
I love
jeans and
it, I
white
love
shoes.
it. Thank you. It's okay. It doesn't have to be a surprise. I
I'm
love
very
it. the
bad at
same.
surprises.
It's
I'm very
okay.
good at surprises. There's mga kilig moments nila, no? Ay, tapos na.
One of the
Ay,
early birds.
ano to?
Yeah. Very supportive.
Siyempre, hinatid ko siya eh. I was with her, so yeah. She did kami on her own. Yeah. So, nag-drive kami pumunta dito.
Ay! Sana all! Ano yung car niya? Kia? Kia o Subaru? Ikaw, GS. Hindi mo kaya. Okay. Ay, ito itong tipo ni Katie. Diyos ko, alagang-alaga talaga siya ni Katie. Love you, babe. Oh my God! Ay. Uy, parang alam mo yung ang tagal ko nawala sa Katie Lex, tapos parang bumalik lahat ng memories ng kinikilig ako sa kanila. Binigay yung ba?
But you know what I love more? I love what's inside the credit card.
Nagka-cover, hindi na kasi si Alexa nagka-cover eh.
520.
520.
Oh, 540. I stand corrected. And while he's not looking, I will use it for my Shopee.
Shopee.
Because KD is always asking.
I will use it for my Shopee. Bakla ka ng taon.
He will buy me. He will buy my Shopee. So I'm like, what if? Totohanin natin. Huh?
Ay,
What if one day you wake up and find my parcels with you?
Ay,
If wala
ay,
kang
ganda
nagagawa,
nun.
dumating
Maganda
ako,
yun siya.
Yung mga in-order ko. Tapos COD.
Oh, tapos
Four
si Odi.
sisters,
Ay, what's this?
family,
Ay,
sila
ano
Belle,
ba siya,
Jill,
Charlie Dizon?
Charlie, and my...
Walang
Before
guy na
Kate.
photo
Walang guy. Ah, yun sa kay Kano Davi na vlog.
Panay pets. Wala pang lalaking, worthy. Wow!
What? Eh, ayan. Ayan yung lalaking birthday. Ayan na talaga siya. Yan pala yung lalaking birthday, ah. Anyways, hindi naman kita mapublib. Sa gwapo niyang yan, di ba? I-place you with it. Aww. What? Char!
First pizza together. Our first of many pizzas together.
Okay. Si DJ ba yung kumakanta sa background, right?
And look guys, there's a new addition to my room's decoration.
Ay,
This is the most important part of the room. Yes.
May nagpapag ko rin pakita yun.
Never mind. Proud lang naman ako kasi siya na yung picture ng work. Nakalimutan. Inside the 13 years, I was there.
Ano
So
to?
when you say na 13 years, I still
Yes.
love you.
Actually, ingat na tayo dyan kasi masaya na din naman sila. Ay, the PBB era! I love this! I miss this! Oh my God! Their PBB era! Ay! Taray! Anyways, there you go guys. This is our for today's video. Our KTLX Sweet Moments compilation. Nag-enjoy ako. This is KJ Vlogs. See you on our next vlog. Bye!